with immense pride and great pleasure that I stand before you today to celebrate the grand success of Incredible Chef Challenge 2024, the national level competition. We would like to take this moment to extend our heartfelt gratitude to a visionary leader without whom this event would not have been possible. Now I request the President to present outstanding certificate to the senior faculty member. I request all the gold medal winners in various categories. So next is a silver medal, all the 11 silver medal winners. The next is a bronze medal winner. I request all the bronze medal winners to come together. Witness the success of this medal ceremony celebration. These are the people behind the scene. There are so many hard work, so many days they have been working for this particular event. If you can, all of you go to the portico and see sugar work, bread showpiece and the margarine sculpture has been done. Our faculty member from bakery and pastry department and from the artistic background has done a fantastic work for last 1 month. Every trainer has done a fantastic work. These are the team has helped me in putting the batches, launching of FitNose.